Hey guys, this is Calculus Family. In this lesson, I'll be taking you through the traces of a curve. What is a trace? A trace is simply the cross section of a cut through a surface, okay? So, trace, I'll say, is a cross section of a cut through a surface by a plane. So, imagine a birthday cake, okay? Imagine if you have a birthday cake, right? And you use your knife to cut through vertically. What do you see? You realize that the shape of the knife will help us get a different outline for the cut. Trace is simply looking at what shape will I get if I cut through the cake this way or that way. The knife in this manner is the plane which we are using. You can have plane like x equals 1 is a plane, y is equals 2 is also a plane. Okay. So if I give you a certain plane and you are cutting through a surface, what will be the outcome, the cross section of that cut? That is the whole idea of trace. So how do you find trace? Let's solve this problem so you understand it very well. So the problem says that sketch the traces of the function f of xy given as 10 minus 4x squared minus y squared. For the plane, s is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. We've been given two planes, which similarly two knives of different structure and shape. And we are supposed to cut through this surface and see what function we get. And here we are supposed to sketch it. Okay, so solution. Our first plane will come. So when s is equal to 1, our function, so you know that z is equal to f of xy. Okay, therefore I'll say that my function z, which is equal to 10 minus 4x squared minus y squared, will now be equal to a function of what? 1 comma y, because I have x. So my plane, when I'm cutting, I replace my x with 1, and that will give me what? 10 minus, wherever I see x, I put 1. 4 multiplying 1 squared minus y squared. This is 10 minus 4 minus y squared, giving me 6 minus y squared. So z is equal to 6 minus y squared is the new surface I get, the new outline of the surface. And this is what we call the trace when you cut through x1. So let's sketch this and see. So what's the sketch? So for the sketch, let me give you the sketch here. Good. So we had the sketch here. Sorry. Good. So we have our sketch. So when s is equal to 1, this is when we're cutting our knife. Then let me show you the outline so you can clearly see what we have here. Good. So looking at this, you can see that, let me expand so you understand it well. Good. So z is equal to 6 minus x squared. So we first use our plane, which is s equals 1. Then we cut through our shape. So the equation 10 minus 4x squared minus y squared is modeled as this cone here. Okay. So you have, so you see the 10, the peak. Okay, reaching 10 here. Good. Then you realize that we cut through s is equal to 1. And after cutting, this was the outline. So the equation we have gotten is this equation, as nicely as done. Okay, good. So now let's do for a different plane. The question gave us two planes. Y is equal to 2. So for plane y equal to 2, I have the diagrams here already. So I have y is equal to 2, right? So for plane y is equal to 2. I have my diagrams here. What do? I have a function of what? X comma what? 2. And that will give me what? Bring the function back is what? 10 minus 4x squared minus y squared. So 10 minus 4x squared minus y squared. Then you know that your y is 2. 10 minus 4x squared minus 2 squared. I'll end up getting 10 4x squared minus 6 minus 4x squared, which is equal to z, is the tree for this. Then when you sketch, obviously, have when you are cutting, have it here. So I'll have this as the cutting. So when we are cutting, realize that cut through what? Y is equal to 2. So that was the ninth, which I'll say, or the plane pattern. Then this is the surface, this is the surface you the cutting. So the surface is the equation that we have here. That is the new surface. That's what we call a cross section of any sliced surface like that. That's what I have for you in this video. So please do well to subscribe and be part of the family, which is Calculus family. Help you with the journey. Bye.